How to turn off restricted mode on YouTube. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video I'll guide you on how you can turn off restricted mode on YouTube, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now restricted mode basically means that it is going to give you only limited contents based on the restrictions. So if you want to turn this thing off on YouTube because you happen to turn it on, all you have to do is simply open up the YouTube application here. Once you open the YouTube app, tap the little profile icon from the top right hand side, and then you want to simply go to settings. Now once you go to settings, you want to simply go to the option called general from the very top of the screen. Once you go to general, scroll down all the way to the bottom. Here you can see restricted mode. So if this is turned on, it says this helps to hide potentially mature videos. You simply want to turn this feature off. Once you turn this feature off, it's just going to turn off restricted mode in general. Now this setting only applies to this phone on this device, so it's not going to apply to some other devices, so keep that thing in mind. So this is simply how you can remove restricted mode on YouTube. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.